Welcome everyone to another startup and automobile documentation. What we have here is a 2013 GMC Sierra 2500 HD SLT extended cab. This Sierra is painted in stealth gray metallic. On the remote fob, you have the buttons for lock, unlock, panic, and remote start. You do have storage on the front door panels. It does have power windows, locks, and mirrors. The driver's seat also gets two-person memory settings, and on the door panels you also have the controls for your 3-stage heated front seats. It has an ebony interior, and SLT models come with leather seats. Both of the front seats are fully powered with two-way power lumbar support. And now that we're behind the wheel, let's go ahead and start the 6.6 Duramax. This 2013 model represents the GMT900 generation of the Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra duo of full-size pickup trucks from General Motors. It replaced the outgoing GMT800 generation and was in turn replaced by the GMT K2XX generation. In total, the GMT900 generation Silverado and Sierra trucks were made from model years 2007 through 2014. Also riding on the GMT900 platform were the 2007 to 2014 GM full-size SUVs. The GMT900 pickup trucks got two different interior designs. Lower trim levels got this interior, while higher trims got this interior, which is basically the same one as the GMT900 Tahoe, Suburban, Avalanche, Yukon, etc. SUVs. For 2011, heavy-duty models got a new, more powerful and torquey version of the Duramax diesel V8 engine. The 2011 HD trucks also got a new, fully boxed frame along with an upgraded suspension for increased capability. Trim levels for the US market 2013 model year Sierra HD included Work Truck, SLE, SLT, and Denali. Cab styles included a regular cab, extended cab, and crew cab. 2500 models had two different engines to choose from, the first of which being a 6-liter Vortec gas V8, and the other one, which this truck has, being a Duramax 6.6-liter turbo diesel V8. A 6-speed automatic in some form is the sole transmission for either engine, and your drivetrain choice, of course, is between rear-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. So in the instrument cluster, we have 6 analog gauges. Front and center, you have your tachometer and speedometer. Then on this side, you have your voltage and temperature gauges. While on this side, you have your fuel and oil pressure gauges. The digital info display can be gone through via these controls right here. You have your trip computers, fuel range, average fuel economy, timer, transmission temperature. Then you have your engine hours, oil life, fuel filter, exhaust fluid level, etc., tire pressures. Then you have more settings for the display. The hazard switch is located on top of the steering column. It has a 4-spoke design, leather-wrapped steering wheel. It is multifunctional. And as for controls, on this side you'll find your cruise controls, while on this side you'll find your audio controls along with your voice control. The steering wheel is tilt only. The parking brake is foot operated. Right here you have your trailer brake controller. Your exterior lighting controls are right here. Your four-wheel drive control dials right here. You have 2 high, 4 high, 4 low, and neutral. And your climate vent for the driver right here. It also has a premium Bose sound system. On this side is your high beam, turn signal, and wiper stalk. While on this side is your column-mounted gear shifter. Entering reverse does reveal a backup camera. You also have tow haul mode. Going down the center of the interior, you have your central climate vents, your information display controls right here. Right here is your radio. You have AM, FM, plus Sirius XM, and a CD player. Aux port. You do have dual zone automatic climate controls with your temperature for either side, different zones, fan speed, and you have your power, rear defrost, AC, passenger mode, and your auto mode, defrosters, different zones, or recirculation, that kind of stuff. Below that, you'll find 2 12-volt power outlets. You can toggle your exhaust brake, traction control, parking sensors, and you also have the switch for your power adjustable pedals. You have a storage area with 2 removable cup holders. Little storage tray. You have a center console with some storage. You also have another 12-volt power outlet and a USB port. The glove box is lockable. Your passenger airbag switch is in there. Grab handle on the front passenger A-pillar. Vanity mirrors and lights for both sun visors. You have an auto-dimming rear view with OnStar, roadside assistance. And on the overhead console, you have your passenger airbag indicator, your garage home link, and your reading lights. But now we'll roll down the driver's window and have a look at the engine bay. Both front windows are automatic down. The SLT trim comes with 18-inch, 8-spoke forged polished aluminum rims. This Sierra 3/4 ton is powered by the LML iteration of the Duramax 6.6-liter turbodiesel V8 engine. It's a pushrod power plant with an iron block and aluminum heads along with 4 valves per cylinder and high-pressure common rail injection. Horsepower is rated at 397 at 3,000 RPM, with torque coming in at 765 pound-feet at 1,600 RPM. The transmission is an Allison 1000 series 6-speed automatic with a manual shifting mode. The truck in this video does have 4-wheel drive. Running on diesel fuel, it uses a 36-gallon fuel tank. It has an independent front suspension and a solid rear axle with leaf springs. It also has 4-wheel disc brakes. A truck equipped like the one in this video has a payload capacity of about 3,189 pounds. 16,400 pounds would be this truck's corresponding tow capacity with a 5th wheel setup, and 13,000 pounds would be the conventional towing capacity. storage on the back door panels as well. You can fold up the back seat bases for more storage. Both of the front seats have mat pockets on the backs. Rear passengers do get a little bit of storage right here, along with a 12-volt power outlet and 2 cup holders. You also have grab handles back here as well. Space for me, I'm about 6'1". It's pretty cramped back here in terms of legroom. Headroom's actually not a problem. But of course, this is an extended cab truck. I think it's pretty interesting to check out a pretty loaded trim level of an extended cab truck. Because of course, when I think of a loaded out pickup truck, like Denali's, Ford with their King Ranch and Platinum, Chevy with their High Country, they only seem to make the ultra luxurious trim levels in crew cabs. Whereas you will find SLT GMCs, Ford even makes Lariat extended cabs. It's pretty interesting to check out a truck that is an extended cab, but in the highest, most well-equipped trim level that you can get the extended cab body style in. So you still have your memory driver seat, power heated leather seats, Bose sound system, dual zone climate controls. You get some niceties with this trim. It's just a pretty cramped back seat, being that it is still an extended cab. As seen earlier, the fuel cap is on the driver's side. Single exhaust. Camper shell on this one. This extended cab is a standard box model, so it thus provides 60.7 cubic feet of space in the bed. Spray and bed liner in here. But anyhow, thanks for checking out this tour of this 2013 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. And as always, stay on the lookout for future tours.